Alright, we're continuing working on the gantry, and I need to just square up the Z-axis, and we'll wander over here to the milling machine where we're doing that. And I thought I'd just take you through a little tour of my mess as we get there. But here we are. I've squared up the Z-axis plate along here, and I think you can see the indicator. Whoops, went the wrong way. Alright, there we go. The Z-axis is nice and square, so we're gonna true up this edge right here for the top of the Z-axis motor plate. Once again, I should be making a script before I do these, but hey, I am a guy that makes chips, not a guy that makes videos. Actually, I am, but that's neither here nor there. So, that's all I got. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.